Once upon a time, our very own Prime Minister Modi stood in Korea and said that before 2014, Indians were ashamed of being born in India. And let's not forget the time when BJP leaders labelled our protesting farmers and even an IPS officer as Khalistanis. Meanwhile, RSS leaders were busy preaching that a woman's true role is to be a housewife. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress have been fearlessly standing up against the divisive agenda of the RSS and BJP, which would pull India back 100 years. Just recently, while in America, Rahul Gandhi made an inspiring speech about protecting our unity in diversity, ensuring that every Indian, no matter their language, religion or culture, feels equal. In a powerful moment, he even used a Sikh brother seated before him as an example. And guess what? The BJP can't handle it. For weeks, they've been spinning lie after lie, trying to twist his words. They want to hide the truth. But see for yourself what Rahulji said. Every Indian, regardless of religion, should feel free. BJP, on the other hand, is targeting Muslims and Christians and refusing to recognize the Sarna code for our Adivasi brothers and sisters. Sikhs should proudly wear their kada and turban. BJP leaders have shamelessly branded Sikhs, whether they are farmers protesting or IPS officers, as Khalistanis. Every state in India deserves equal respect. BJP is withholding funds from states that aren't under their control and disrespecting South Indian languages. RSS believes some Indians are inferior. Don't forget, in 1947, they wanted the Manu Smriti in the constitution. Even today, they resist reservation, refuse a caste census and have never had a Dalit Adivasi or women leader in their ranks. Their leader even said, women belong in the kitchen. Why is the BJP so rattled? Because the people of India resonate with Rahulji's message. The election results speak for themselves. That's why the BJP is cranking up the lies and hatred, disrespecting even the constitutional role of the leader of the opposition. But Rahulji won't be silenced. He has made it clear. He will continue fighting for unity, equality and love. And as proud patriotic Indians, we must stand by him. Let's unite for an India that embraces all its people.